Hello guys, our lunch for today is kinilaw na pipino, and then batong, and then gulay na naman, and then the sabaw. Sabaw-sabaw pag may time. Thank you for watching, and then the banana. Gutom na guys. I will eat na. Gutom na ang person. Thank you so much for watching. Babush. Sayonara.